How to export 1080p60 in Premiere Pro. I will show you as quick as possible how to do this in the best quality. First of all, we go to sequence settings and make sure that you can select custom 60 frame seconds at video frame size 9020, 1080, and then exactly the same settings that I have right here. Audio is fine. Iframe only MPEG, and then make sure that the width and the height is on this amount. And click here on maximum render quality. Then we do OK. Then right now what you need to do is go to sequence and do render in to out. So he will pre-render your video right here. Then after this, we go to File, Export Media. And then right now we just click here on match sequence settings. So he will use the best settings for our render. You can double check it with checking the video quality, everything right here. And this is fine. And the only thing that we need to do now is use maximum render quality. And then we do export. Right now he will export the video. And after this, we have the best quality for 1080p60. And this is how you can do this. So, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.